Hi, I'm Gordon Zaft, and together with my virtual accompanist, Mary Cox, I'll be performing Blow, Blow, Thou Winter Wind from Three Shakespeare Songs by Roger Quilter. Blow, blow, thou winter wind, thou art not so unkind as man's ingratitude. Thy tooth is not so keen, because thou art not seen. Although thy breath be rude, although thy breath be rude. Hey ho, sing hey ho, unto the green holly. Most friendship is feigning, most loving mere folly. Then hey ho, the holly. This life is most jolly. Freeze, freeze, thou bitter sky, that dost not bite so nigh as benefits forgot. Though thou the waters warm, thy sting is not so sharp, as friend remembered not, as friend remembered not. Hey ho, sing hey ho, unto the green holly. Most friendship is feigning, most loving mere folly. Then hey ho, the holly. This life